What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel, Fitness Challenge, Day 15.
Purchase your tracks today.
Let me see. How you doing, guys? Wow. Another heat warning today. High temperature warning. It's like a... Huh? It doesn't show up on the chatting box. Give me 1 second, guys.
Мен үшін парвоз қыл дейді сыму, бәсіму, женімде тұмырыңда ақсаму. Сенің чабында қылыш жасаму, жасаму, жирақтың күшіп қанат қақсаму. Мен үшін парвоз қыл дейді сыму, бәсіму,
Hello, guys. How you doing, guys?
Сенің чабында қылыш жасаму, қечқа. Тауым yok könep kaldım patqaqlarıq bitişqa. Tuzum gece, belim gece, gelim gece. Çıqışqa, kallamda uyuq xiyallar yürek taş bot etişqa. Tumur gece, göşü gece, işçi gece.
Ooh, too bright. I can't even see my phone.
Sende kızgı tavım yok ne?
Yo, guys. Still no info with our hero. That hero is coming from this channel, guys, and he disappeared. He might got caught, guys. That's make me worry too much. It's 40 hours already. 40 hours, no info. Maybe Chinese communists catch him. I don't know. I can't say it 100%, but I will wait one more day. Miradil supposed to be here. Maybe he will appear in this chat today or tomorrow, but so it's already kind of weird. Wow, so hot, super hot. Yo, guys, so crazy. We just lost one of our justice believer already. Seems like just because of his speak up. And imagine if he disappeared. That guy, because of his Uyghur, he only had 3-day freedom for speech and then get silent and then disappeared. That's how sad Uyghurs' life is. You whole your life, your entire life. You only have 3 days because he become fearless. Then he only had 3 days for speech. What he want to say, and he only gave testimony, and then might already got caught because some of the people already put his location online, try to figure out is that real guy or not, and then find his poster on behind from his video, find out, okay, yes, this picture is from this area, and of course cop is gonna find it easily, right? This is so crazy, guys. Turkey just stopped our Uyghurs protesting Turkey because he got money from China. That's simple. Yes, Turkey is one of my most favorite country. But if you ask money from the China, of course you will follow what China say. You know. And the same thing happened Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan is like a Chinese army. Almost there, like they starting to collect natural resources from Kazakhstan, and Turkey opened their border to China, which virus maker. Of course you will get sick, your people get sick because of your government is dealing with, you know. Yeah, I don't want to talk too much, but I'm only worried about this Miradil Hasan right now. Yo guys, if this guy's legit, we already know. We already made article, we already made videos. It's a time to report. Let some bigger media, let some well-known media to report this. It's a time for that now. Yo, Mini. So guys, let's do the next. Let's move to the next. Forget about everything, forget about coronavirus, forget about everything you worry. Let's be a justice believer and make this guy on the title of internet, on the title of the world. Because this guy is he's a real fighter. You might never know such a person in your life, in your real life. And he appeared and he disappeared. Just because of his speak up. This gonna be the hero in the history, future history. He already become a hero. So how we can report it? Let the well-known media know about it. That's our next goal, to do it. He disappears, then we just gone? No, this is not the justice believers' work. Okay. We will try our best to attract the media attention. This is nothing about a joke or... So we need to be serious on this and keep fighting on this. Kudaya Ashik or Mini or everyone, we need on this group, on this Discord. We have to do this. We have to make that happen. If you don't fight for him, you don't fight for this guy, next one is you. That's how God created us. If you don't help someone else, when it's your turn, no one help you. You will be in danger. That is a fact. That is a rule of this world, right? So yeah, let's think positive. Yeah, of course we think positive, but this thing never gonna gone just like this. We will keep reporting. Of course we have no evidence saying, oh, this guy got arrested by Chinese communists or something like that, but it is for sure. He disappeared now, 40 hours. He usually he never, like, not stay tuned more than 3 days. Let's see 1 more days. If he just like normal before, he could find Wi-Fi, I believe. Because he just hanging around just like a live stream all the time. Now it's mid-time over there. It's like at 1 a.m. over there. At midnight he usually just find a Wi-Fi and watch my stream every day. So guys, let me say again, no matter this guy gonna appear or disappear, we will keep fighting for his right. We will be that guy's voice. That's why the justice believer is, right? UyghurMan and justice believer, and that guy is Uyghur. We can make it like we have to let the people know. This is nothing just can easily get forgot. If this guy got proved he's a legit already almost, in the future we definitely, he's a hero.
What is real shit? Düşüncemiz olsa Herkes uslubumuz şarkı olmak istiyor homie okay drop the beat Gereklikin insana Bunda aksa hissiyatla Fıçırmaydı asla bizni göremem de yak Kulakları edemem de ha Tesellik de buyum hamını özgüreydi ha Bazı ahlak nakşılı çıksa pişim ağrıydı bilsen Onu vatlan silah karab işim ağrıydı bilsen Bu güzel şehrimde arzuyum şime tutmaya ödüştürüşme Reallik reyimsiz dostu diyolum nelikime başlatmayı
It's okay, Mini. Enjoy time with your family. It's important. Family life is very important. Enjoy. Guys, think about it. What we can do? Our next goal is we will list top 10 media in the world, and then we will email all of them. We will email all of them. We will put our link about our Q&A, our articles, his testimony video. We will put it and send it to all of the media. Let's see how many media are gonna respond. We will do it. If you can help, just let me know. Raise your hand. We will do it. We already have a couple of people gonna do it. In this group, I wish we can see more people and working on that. I really want to see this guy can wake up a lot of people, not just Uyghur, from the world. Why? Because of his Uyghur, he only has 3-day speech, 3-day freedom for his speech, for his mouth. Only 3 days, 3 days in your life. If I say, okay, you cannot talk anymore, only 3 days. What are you feeling?
That's good. I'm 7'6". Sen beni tanıdın mı? Tek gençerde tomurumda adem doludun mu? Şahmat diyen anne küçük doludun mu? Ya ki vicdanınla hılap baldı orek oludun mu? Şahmat, I'm 7'6", motherfucker. Boom bap, naşanda küçük bedim dolar. Elbette nurgun balı çabak çaldı solar. Kanlaşmığa münasibet ıllık.
Too hot, guys. I need a shade. Yes, guys. Yes, guys, someone trust us, trust our community, and trust me. He kind of like left his last message and then just disappeared. You know, guys, I was like a whole day waiting his message yesterday, and I was thinking too much about it. One thing eventually I made sure is I will speak up. I'll keep going, keep talking. Thirty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo, guys. No, I'm not saying we have become a... I'm not saying we will become big media. We will let them report. You know what? All the journalists looking for something to write. There's a lot of journalists want to find something fresh, something new. This could be the news. It's definitely gonna be the big news. But we have to let the people know. We have to think. We have to share about this. We have to make this story to let the people know. Now, not too many people know about him. Only Uyghur community and maybe maximum 5,000 people know about him. We're not able to strong enough to attract the world attention right now. We need some reporter. We need some journalist. That's why we will list top 10, the top 20 people or journalists, and we'll email them. That's what we're gonna do. Let them report. Now we report. We just, you and me, just live the life what we're doing, but we have to every time if there's a chance, we just share. All you guys can do is just share, keep spreading, keep putting like button. And me and my friend and my wife, what we will do, we will make article, we will spread, we will email them. That's how it go. But this thing not gonna done just like that. Not gonna just easily finish. Yes, it is. It is. We need to find someone who speak up to justice like similar with us, like who willing to help us to raise his voice. Like that guy just give a testimony. His internet life only lasts 3 days, guys. Just because of his Uyghur and he speak up, he gave a testimony. That's all. That's all. He disappeared. Otherwise, he's highly educated. He knows 3 language. And that's Uyghur's life situation. He has to become homeless, no jobless, voiceless, and then he speak up because he became fearless. Now he just disappeared. Yeah, let's save Miradil. Let's save Miradil. Like Khudaya Aşık, if you know any Turkish YouTuber, big YouTuber, you should contact him, bro. You should contact him, use your language, say, hey, I am in this group and this is what happened. And if he willing to report it, because it's just such a unique news, everyone wanna report. They might gonna appreciate you. Oh, thanks for giving me this idea, blah blah. Let them report, let people report it. Just let them know. It is a time, guys, it is a time. If you don't do, it's not good. That's all I can say.
Tımtas keçe, tügümez oy fikir ilgide xiyal dengizge çöktü. Meynetçilik tengsizliği kaplagan etrafımda hakikat koynuğu möktü. Kulak tutan şuğuş, ağlanmaktı klasik müzika. Esretli kümüş üçün zaboy qaraq, bengi dava tamakka. Her qıtım düşenmek tez, turmuşqı deyişini ögendim bopdula. Ötken keşkenni koy bir vettim vaqt özünün ixtiyarıga. Qiyin günde illiqlik ata qılgan birovni eski kirgizmän uçtub tut. Meydanga urup işengenlerim vaqti kelse diyelmeydi kel qolumni tut. Gülümsiraş içide reallikni çörüp azabni alıman eske. Xoşallıqla ara piqirsammo dil yaramni saqaytmaq teske. Hiç bir hararet illit almaydı vücuttiki bu soğuk tuygu. Qarğını tar yerde qıstığandak tüm tarafdan qorşap keldi qaygı. Turmushdiki her bir uçuruşning hammasi kutilgan qismat. Qanchisi xarliq, qanchisi tarliq, qanchisi arzon, qanchisi qimmat. Yillar etdi, ömür uzun emas, qadrla atrofingdagilarni. Yo'qitib qo'ysang qaytib kelmaydi, endi uchirtishi onatayin. Tutolmaydiganim vaqt, elib qololmaydiganim yillar. Ko'ngil zarari qilisholmay ko'milib ketdi qancha jiqdillar.
I know we have some people from Turkey like Khudaya Aşık, another one is Maryam in our Discord. You guys use your advantage, you know Turkish language, you're Turkic, and then skeptic, no English, I know Uyghurs. Let's spread this. That's what we're here for, right? We're not just come here, discuss this, talking something useless. helpless. We're about to help people, guys. That's why we're here. Don't think we cannot do it. Let's make it happen and then get confident for your rest of the life. Because save one guy's life or be fearless gonna help you forever, for your lifetime.
Ballıqdaki günlər bolsun papqaq pakizədə əslimə. Yüz berib atqan qatar meynətçilikə başqısı bolmayma təslimə. Uzun sozulğan tünlər, cüp-cüp buzuqdan bir-biri qarab eğinişidir. Yoki birinin yaş tökkan halda yana biri doğan sevginişidir.
Yo guys, let's do it, guys. This is gonna be our first project since we started this UyghurMan YouTube channel, UyghurMan Discord community, guys. This can be the really good start, guys. This is our first project. We started it. We will make it something happen, okay, guys? If we cannot make anything happen, why we here? Why we waste the time, right? I inspire you. You should inspire me. Together we'll make something happen. So I believe it. That's why. Imagine your limitation is your imagination. This word, this code I put under here. Your limitation is your imagination. Again, I would keep repeat and again and again. There's nothing we cannot do because we are the justice believer. We are on the justice side. We are on the positive side, guys. Yes, that's why, guys. That's why we definitely has to do something. Hashtag is good idea. Like I said, if you know any big YouTuber or bigger media, just let them know what's going on for him. Share his video, share the articles about him, share the Q&A we just made yesterday. Let the people know, introduce him to different people. We know who he is, what he suffered, and what happening to him. Why we cannot find him anymore? Just because of he speaks that, he spreads that justice to you, and it and you and me. It's not good. If he spreads some positive energy, he's supposed to keep going. Because of you and me, I fear something. We are the scary chicken, so we stop. It's not good. We'll make it keep going. We should be fearless like him too. That's what I want to say in this video, guys. That's we have to work fast. You know, work fast. Did you see how fast if he disappeared? He only had 3-day freedom so far. I don't know he got arrested or not. I'm not for sure, but he disappeared 2 days already. It's not normal. He told me he will come yesterday to my stream. He's supposed to looking for some Wi-Fi. It's not gonna take him to 1 day to find a Wi-Fi if he not in the danger. So let's make it happen, guys. This is not just the Uyghurs things anymore, guys. Let me tell you. Uyghurs have a justice believer. Uyghurs have an evil believer as well, like all the Muslim world. You know, Uyghur has a justice believer. Muslim has a justice believer, also evil believer. So this is nothing about some nation's job or some Ummah's job. This is for whole world who believe justice. Okay? That's why we have all different people in this community. We have to save him up. Ooh, it's so hot, so hot. Yeah. Just want to get some sweat under the sun. It's also high temperature warning from online. So guys, if you guys agree what I'm saying, if you guys agree what I'm saying, if you guys want to do something to him, yeah, our video, at least share our video, our article or his video, you know, just let the world know about it. The minimum you can do is share our video. Go back to our YouTube channel, find those things, or find our articles about him from my page, Facebook page, and keep sharing every day. And we, Jerry and my wife and some of us people, we will contact the other people. If you want, you can do that way too. If you want to do more, you can do more. There's a lot of things you can do, but minimum, since you here, since you are one of member of our community, please guys, just share. That's all I want. Share to different platform, different group. No matter what language it is, share him. Let the world know his face. And then they will try to discover whose face is that. That's why I put his picture all of my thumbnail. Big head picture. Let the world know his face. Let the people see his face first. Then we will see is he gonna click or not. Guys, you know why he choose our group, our community to, and he stayed close with us? He trusts us. He trusts we can be his voice. We can be his, you know, we can be his friend, real trustful partner, teammate on this journey. If we want, guys, if we become fearless, if we want to help someone, there's tons of ways to do it. But it's all depend you want to do it or not, you want to help or not, are you fearless or not. I know you concern a lot, oh maybe if I share this, that, maybe you worry, but it's all future, it's not even happen, so just do it guys if you agree what I'm saying. Super hot. Super hot today too. Today is not 101 Fahrenheit. The day is 98 and it's like 36 Celsius, I believe. Still, oh, guys. Yeah, never stop, never stop. Why we met this? Why is this happening to us? And if it's a random thing, I don't even care. This guy is screaming for help. He has a real life threat, life danger, but he speak up. Too much information is here if you want to grab. So guys, we have some plan, but when we're doing something, you guys should stay active to help us to spread. At least that's the minimum you can do, right? But be sure you have to know. We might even change our background of our like a YouTube cover page or our cover picture with his picture, because since he is one of the first guy in our group inspiring us, be fearless, be the guy who speak up. And it's the first guy, first hero. And it's from our channel, our Discord community. Let me tell you, we will keep fighting until all the world know what happened to him. So we definitely gonna make it happen. We believe that. And you have to know, this guy is starting and coming from our channel. He was searching online, he was chatting, he was observing, he was listening, he was watching all different peoples, all different platforms. Finally stopped at in us and put he was trying to looking for someone can help him spread his voice. Eventually stopped in this small group community and speak up and disappear now. All he said, just his testimony about his parents, about to Uyghurs, and some word to Uyghurs about be fearless, don't scare, do what you need to do. That's all he said. And he disappeared now. I'm sure Chinese communists are searching him badly, hardly. Maybe that's the reason he disappeared. We don't know, but we do what we should do, right? And let's do it, guys. It is a time. It is a time. No one knows what's gonna happen next. And I'm saying, one of my partner, one of my friend, another justice believer, just got positive on coronavirus. This is a world, and we are at that moment in the world, the most sensitive and the most crazy time. And we have to do the right thing at this time, guys.
Kalbimde korkunuş, korkunuş, baştan başlama demek bu ya bir yerge sokuluş. Eskap medet kan var, hele burallı kan. Akın
guys, if this guy, if this hero, Miradil Hasan, cannot able to wake us up, be fearless, and then there's nothing can wake you up. Let me tell you, someone you can wake up, someone you never can. If this guy is not enough to wake you up, then nothing can. Wake you up means stand up, speak up for the justice, for do not wear mask again. If this Chinese communist regime one day exists, our life in one more day under threat. So we have to speak this up. Guys, it's so hot outside here. See guys, I told you, our justice believer group will grow very aggressively, very fast, now and in the future, because we are fearless group. We don't scare Chinese communists, hack us, ban us, even kill us. That's what I believe. So, we will grow aggressively very soon. You can see from the first couple of days to now. And it will keep growing this pace for a long time. And keep share. Let more people reach. When the more people saw it, then they will know who is working, who is a real justice believer. We made this group, we made this community just me and Jerry. Now we have certain people and it's keep growing. And we know who is a real justice believer, who is not. From their work, from the action. We not just go there. Your name is nothing for us. Your work, your effort is most important for us. Just speak up for him. If you speak up for him, you means you speak up for yourself. That's simple, guys. I will stay 15 more minutes and I will transfer inside. I'm sweating enough and I feel dizzy a little bit because of sun is right there, it's burning my neck. And then we will go discuss inside. But I still require you guys keep sharing this video. It has 2 hours. If you keep sharing for 2 hours, we will reach a lot of people. You and my voice can reach more and more people. That's our goal, guys. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Wow, it's so hot, guys. Woo. Ah. Ah, it's burning. No, no, no. I know that kids is no. 40 hours. He's supposed to be here. If he not be here yesterday, he's supposed to be here today, but it's already 40 hours. I'm start really worried for him. And if tomorrow he still not show up, we will announce he disappeared. Real disappeared, under danger probably. That guy is... Whew. Yo, some of our Uyghurs, some of the peoples digged him out and eventually provide more information to Chinese communists about the cop's car, about his location. Is all about from our people to just dig him out, try to dig him out and post it online. Of course it's easy now, even I know where he is. Of course the cops easily to find him out. That's what we did. Yo, Zadine, don't say like it's a spy of China's. We don't know, right? If we know, then we'll speak like that. If you don't know, don't say that. Might be, okay? There's no evidence. But our stupidity is for sure. When he just made a testimony video, everyone pulled his information, even the background information from those posters, from the car. They just try to get more details. They helped the cop investigate it about him. That's why we lost him. And no one step up, no organization, no our leaders step up for him. If they really love our Uyghurs, if they really want to do something to our Uyghurs, where's he at this time? Okay, they didn't speak up for him. You gotta be the next. If some danger to yourself, to me, to you, Gülü Maksud, or to you, Aynur, or whatever, no one gonna speak up. You see what is our Uyghur leader is. Use this help. It's fake. It's fake. Let me tell you, it's fake leaders. They make those organizations for just for the foundation, for the money, I believe, and collect money from us. Donate, bonate. You know how much we can do, just you and me, regular people, seriously, not even. So from now on, every single thing happening to us, if you're not able to wake us up, it means our mind is messed up, you know? He speak up. And one Uyghur has only 3 days freedom for speech. And we as one Uyghurs, the majority of Uyghurs, quiet. This so 4,000 Uyghurs watched his video. 4,000 Uyghur knows. How many Uyghurs step out? Yes, I will help. What kind of help you need? How many Uyghurs say that? Did that? I'm not talking about those leaders, right? Those organizations or the president or prime minister. We have prime minister, we have minister. They're scary like chicken. They're like a chicken, like a baby. They're like a baby. They think too much. When someone comes to ask help from them, they think too much. He don't have a time now, only 3 days. I'm glad I grabbed this chance in front of God. If he really disappeared, I can answer, my God, I tried my best, day and night. At least I tried to do something, I tried to speak, I tried to make more video article to report him. But I never get any leader's phone call, inform or asking or care. I got some older people, oh, we should do that, we should do that. Yes, but who will do that? Me? Just me? Just me and the skeptic, or you just in this group, 10 people? It's impossible, right? Some organization who's supposed to work for Uyghurs, they have money, they have an office. If they don't help this type of person, they don't help this type of poor homeless Uyghur guy, who they will help? What's that for? We have to wake up, guys. This Miradil Hasan, if not able to wake us up, nothing can be. And we're gonna get wiped out very soon. I talk too much, and the weather is hot, super hot. This is not healthy weather for workout, so I will just stop here. And I will go inside and chat with you guys if you guys want. Please chat with me. I will talk. Any question, if you have any question about him, if you want to report and you don't know what to do, just let's work as a team, guys. We are working for him. We try to save a guy, innocent Uyghur brothers with different mothers, the same nation. Uyghurs, let's help. Let's do it, guys. Be fearless, just like him. Let's do it. Every day I raise this flag just for remind my goal. Okay, guys? When I see this and when I raise it, I feel powerful. I become fearless. That's why I do. You may have a question. Oh, you live in America, but you raise this flag. I'm not an American citizen, okay? I never try to be citizen for any country. I'm just living here. I'm glad America saving me. At least they're not deporting me. But my heart is here. This is my heart. This is our future. And your future too. Alright, let's go, guys. Whew. Hey guys, how you doing, guys? Yeah, let's talk some minutes, some hour here. So what's the plan, guys? Who want to work with us together about anything about this guy, to save this Uyghur, to save this innocent, fearless Uyghur? How many people wanna stand next to with me? Want to work for it? We want to make a work team. We will work as a team. We will split the work and we will do it as a real job, full-time, not full-time job, probably part-time. How many hours you can spend, and how many people want to work for us? Let me know right now. Skeptic, how many hours you can work for this guy and for this our next project, which is spread his fairness to the world. Skeptic, how many hours you can do a day or a week? Let me know. And the dean, you too, Guli Maksud or whatever, who are you, whoever's there, let me know. Let's do it. Let's work it full time, like now the full time project as a team. Maybe you have a couple hours only for him, but we have to do something. It's nothing just talk, you know. It's very far from that now. Please let me know, guys. I'm not joking around here. How many? The dean, why you guys don't reply now? Khudaya Ashik will come soon. Yeah, Ted Cruz, whoever. Again, guys, I know there's 7 people out there listening. How many hours you willing to spend to rescue him? The dean, 4 to 5 hours a day. You have that much of time a day for him. Great. Okay, 4 hours a day. That's enough. That's way. It's like part-time job. Okay, you want to do it as a part-time job for him. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, we have 4 hours now. So I can do 6 hours. All right. I can do 6 hours. So we need at least make it 40 hours per week. No. Per week is no, already. Me and the dean. How many hours you guys willing to spend for him? Skeptic, 8 hours. 8 hours is not easy. I want you guys like think about 8 hours, 4 hours. Yes, 8 hours a day means you're doing his things as full time. You have to think about it. And if you say 8 hours, we need to see 8 hours work. 8 hours, you can write couple articles, 2 articles or 1 article. 8 hours, you can make a video or something. Think twice. We need real action. We need not hours or speak. Okay, how many hours? Even though some of you cannot spend that much of time, maybe just 1 hour or 2 hours, it's enough. Just for email those reporters, journalists. It now takes you a couple hours to do it. So we're here gonna work as a team. Again, how many people? Where's the rest? Anyone else want to join our team to speaking up for him? No? If you watch this video and then if you want to join us, please let us know. We just need you 1 or 2 hours a day. Maybe that's enough. But anyone want to help Miradil Hasan? I need to keep saying Miradil Hasan. He just gave us such an inspirational life story for our lifetime. I never see such a person that brave, that fearless. So I got inspired from him, and then that's what I want to do, is speak up for him. So the Dean, Amini Khudaya Ashik. Yeah, but he's not here. He might reply. Amini, yeah, he I'm sure he will. I'm sure some of the Uyghurs also will. To contact Mike Pinkpion, you need to email him at his address. Yes. Yeah, let's do it, man. Let's do it. Yeah, so we have like 5, 6, or 7 people gonna work. We will discuss it on our Discord group. Discord group, make a group just for Miradil Hasan, okay? Where is Miradil Hasan? Or save Miradil Hasan. Just make a group. Our future work gonna be happen there. Only the person who willing to help can able to access that group. That's the best way to do it, man. I don't wanna like anyone can join from now on. If you just wanna join our group and you don't even like share or nothing, it's not good. Yeah. So we will work it. We will make it happen. We will discuss how we're gonna do, and we will work from now. It's nothing we can wait anymore. He already disappeared. I don't know what's happening to him. I don't know what's gonna happen to him. So let's work. Let's use the time efficiently. From now on, everyone can make an article. Anzadin, if you can make an article, let's make it. If you think you're good at writing, or at least want to say something about his life story, if you can make more attractive, then give me that article. Let's post it. Let's post it on our Patreon, on our website. Alright, guys? And I'm always keep checking the Discord. I wish he's like appear. Hey, I was just I'm too busy or something. But it's like 40 hours already, 43 hours already. So we have a lot of things to do, and we don't scare. So we are arranging the job. We are telling our goal in the live stream. We don't care. See? Because we don't scare anything, because we never did anything which is bad morally, religiously, or illegally. So we can do like this. Doesn't matter. We just want to spread this fairness. We don't scare. We don't even scare Chinese communists So there's nothing you can scare. Yeah, he needs help. He come out and he was like hanging around, like checking all the platform people's different organization. Eventually stopped here, start talking to me, talking to us, be a friend with us, and left his videos for us, and he disappeared, guys. He know, I asked him, right, Jerry? Like first interview, I asked him, yo, are you ready for this? You might gonna have a danger if you keep us to report you. Are you ready? Are you kidding or are you for real? He said, yes, I don't care. He already think 3 years, thought about it for 3 years, so we're not gonna worry. We will keep doing. No, not Discord. Discord link to others. If you have other people's Discord, no. Mini Discord is our community. You don't have to put link there. Put his link. Put our video about him to different places to let more people know. And we are here for let more politics, more reporters to know. If you want to go ahead and put his link, our video, our articles to different like justice believers, not just any random like YouTubers, okay? We don't want that. We don't want to bother people. We want people who really fight with us, help him to rescue him, okay? You know, there's very on the Discord, if you guys see, oh no, you guys cannot see. Here, I was like, here, today is May 7th, I see, September 7th. Here is September 5th. I think you see here. What he said is, after I had a conversation with him. I try to give him like a real power in his mind, and I try to motivate him. I try to let him feel better. That's why I said, yo, bro, we will definitely try to rescue you. You definitely will survive soon. And I give a lot of hope to him, to be honest, just verbally. And then after a couple hours, he said, oh, he feels so good. At that time, he said, oh yeah, thank you, and this is real united. And then a couple hours later, he said, texted me, he said, oh, I've been thinking if I can make a movie about my life, what I suffer, my experience, that would be great. Like that, you know, he was thinking, he's imagining if he survived, if he got rescued. But what we did, and what the society, what the real life is going. Your meaning, it's nothing about like when you can, if you want, you can, you know, if you can't, if you don't want, you can't. So what we talking here is we will do it, we has to do it. Meaning you will grow up in the future, we will grow like, but this type of guy, the guy justice believer like Miradil Hasan, I don't think you can easily meet another one. So when you're mad, I know you're young, try to help him too. It's good for your life also. So guys, let's talk less and work more. And I have a lot of things to do about this guy. I have good idea, and we have to discuss everything on our Discord. And I don't want to spend too much time here to, you know, just discussing, talking. Yeah, meaning if you have a Twitter, just retweet Skeptic or our tweet about him, just about him, yeah, or put a hashtag. Put a hashtag. Yeah, skin is alright, bro. Yeah, we should real work. We should not talk that much. speak less, work more. Okay, guys? Just for him, just for this time period, let's make that our goal happen first. Our goal is some certain well-known media report him. Then, our first project gonna done. Okay, guys? If no one report him, then there's hero stand up for Uyghurs, stand up for his right. If no one report him, that's a tragedy for this century, guys. But who will make it happen? Just this believer like me and like you can make that happen, can attract the well-known media to report him, to report such a hero. Of course, not all media gonna do it, because do that means stand another side on the Chinese Communist Party. I know a lot of country not even close with this, but only Western and America, some media might do it. Let's see, guys. And I will arrange some real work in our group very soon, and what we do individually, how and our time frame I will announce there, and we will work on it. Okay, guys? Okay, you can share to different Discord is also a good idea. Just tell the real story. Just, hey guys, we met this real life hero and he just disappeared. We want to help him. Please spread this. Please make this awareness. Just like them. And let the people know. We're not like a scam, or don't bother other people to block you or things like that. You have to do it with proper way. You just tell them, yo guys, we as a Justice Believer group, and here is a guy, one of our members, life under threat right now. Could you help us spread this fairness? Something like that. Just short and eye attract title there. Gonna definitely work, guys. Yes. Khudaya Ashik, I don't know, you know some, you have a YouTube, right? Since you have YouTube here, so you can spread this to, I know there's a lot of nice Turkish people. I know the Turkish, majority of the Turkish is very heartwarming, kind people just like us, because we are Turkic too and we have similarity. Just talk to those people. Just tell them, yo, here's very good things. We need a report. He is one of our members, Justice Believers group members. He disappeared. We worry him so much. Could you help us? Just like that, guys. Skeptic, I think you can do this for Turkish people. Turkish on internet, it has a big portion. There's, you guys, one of the a lot of population on internet, I know that, so you definitely has to report this in Turkish. If you can send information to the Turkish media, Turkish journalist, reporter, that would be awesome. But only the one who as a real Justice Believer gonna report it. We know that. Yeah, YouTube channel or email those reporters. You can just Google easily, right? There's a lot of media, YouTube, no, not YouTube, Turkish media, right? Turkish media. You can just go contact them, email them, you know, no matter they reply or not, you did your work. And then we will see. We don't judge people who reply or not. They reply if they reply. But we have to do our work, because we are directly facing this challenge, no matter from God or from our life, from our moral. We have to do the work we have to do. So that's why in this channel, as a Justice Believer, we have to have that energy, atmosphere in whole our group, whole our community, guys. Yes, we put our name UyghurMan and Justice Believer. Title is so big, right? And such a guy come to screaming for help, and he died or disappeared. What we did? So we have to be real. We have to be legit. We're not the fake. We're not the scary chicken. We are a fearless organization or group here. We have fighter. We are a real fighter like Miradil Hasan. That's our one of the members. We should have proud. And I will make his picture nice enough to post on our YouTube banner picture or cover picture from now on. Just for spread his hero spirit. Yes, just to try. No, you can just try. You can just try, and they do or not, it's there. I know it's sensitive. As a Muslim, a lot of things you do here in the world is sensitive. I know, but if you agree that sensitivity, I know in China that guy, or everything he speak up is sensitive topic. Every single thing. Even he show up himself on camera is sensitive. It's danger. You know? But he speak up. What we're doing is we're looking for somewhat like you and me. Speak up for someone, help someone. I believe if you can make it nicer, like people, if you want to help someone, you can do it. If you are legit, if they are legit, you know, they will do it. Yo, guys, I am putting my parents, my relatives in danger. My Chinese communists might wipe us whole my village or whole my city. I don't know, you know. But I'm not gonna worry. Oh, it's sensitive. No, I'm doing it. I do what I should do. That's how I answer or finish my task, life challenge task. The whole life is just one task, right? You have to make a correct answer, right? If you're scared, or is that wrong? Is it, or maybe no, then you can't do anything, bro. Yes, we are the first reliable source. We had a Q&A for him. We can explain what he told. He disappeared after he almost 100% explained his lifestyle. We got almost all information we need. I almost answered all my questions in my mind about him. Then he got disappeared. So let's try what we can do. I know, Khuday Ashaq, I'm not trying to like give you a hard task, but your name is Khuday Ashaq. It's if we Ashaq, you know, we love God, so we have to do something can make God happy. This for real. I'm not trying to spread or like talking some religious things. But we have to be real and legit. Like I'm justice believer. I'm a real justice believer. I'm not just a scary justice believer. I'm a fearless, real justice believer. Yes, so yeah, as long as like a big organ, like some party, you know, parliament things, don't talk about. This is just a simple example. I saw a lot of sensitive news. Turkey always reply. Yeah, Turkey is democratic enough for citizens know him. You know, we just want some hero speak up for Uyghurs, Uyghur hero, right? We just wanna know more and more people know Uyghurs has a hero, fearless hero like him, like us. Okay, so. Because we don't have media, we don't do that thing. So China is reporting about us whatever they want. They try to say we are splittists or separatists or terrorists or whatever. is he looks like terrorist. Am I looks like terrorist, but we still life under danger all the time. So guys, oh yes, so yeah, in Fox News, yes, definitely we can reach that level. Trust me. Why I put your imagination, your limitation is again and again, again and again. When you have some idea or you think you don't own, you're not, you might, you but you could, you're never gonna work. You're never gonna successful. You're never gonna do anything in your life. But imagine you can do it. Imagine you done it. Then you will definitely step out of your limitation and you will reach, you will, absorb those things to yourself. Yes, guys, so Jerry and the Dean and Huday Ashik, all of you guys, thank you. And if there's more people after you guys watched our stream later on, if you want to know what I can do for you, just to go and message us. We definitely have a lot of things we can do for him, for Uyghurs, but we just need those people, okay guys? We really need help now for our freedom, for our life safety. We need your hand, we need your voice, we need your action, for real. And thank you guys. Today I will just speak this much, and I will take a shower. I will give another stream in my Uyghur language later, and I will start working on another we will discuss about our job arrangement things. Thank you, and I will see you guys later. Skeptic, I will call you soon. I will discuss about that later. Khuday Ashik, let me know, keep update what you did, how you helped, Let's do it, guys. If you want to help, just let us know. If you cannot, also, it doesn't matter. You don't have a duty or responsibility to help us, to help that. But if you want to join our group, if you want to be a member of our group, we have something to do, of course. So, yes, let's do our best. Let's do our best. Do not pressure yourself. Since you are doing the things for the good willing, for the helping someone, for the do the right things. So don't pressure yourself, be fearless, but you have to spend your time, real time, do the real work. Okay guys? Alright, I'll see you guys